Hello everyone, this is Kavita Reddy from Sreya Nutrition. Today I will be talking about how to use dry spices safely. Most of us do not think much about food safety when it comes to dry spices. We generally do not even know when we bought them. We never write down the date, and sometimes dry spices are lying in our pantry for several months. These spices, especially cumin, black pepper, sesame seeds, coriander seeds, they are quite susceptible to bacterial contamination, especially salmonella. When there is food poisoning episode, especially after eating non-vegetarian food, we immediately blame the meat for it. It may not be the meat, it could be the spices which are the culprit. Salmonella or any other bacterial infection could become quite serious. So what can we do to ensure the safety of spices? Firstly, buy them in small quantities. Do not store them for more than 6 months. But in case you want to buy in a little more quantities and store them for more than 6 months, keep them in the freezer. Another suggestion would be roast the spices in small quantities, powder and then use them. This will bring out flavor as well as the heat exposure will kill bacteria. These steps will ensure the safety of dry spices when it comes to bacterial contamination. We all know the uses of spices. They are good to boost our immunity. They reduce inflammation, etc. So we should also know about what steps we should use to ensure their safety. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find the content useful, like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want more information such as this, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also look us up on our website. Once again, thank you.